you have cats, then you know it's their house and you just live in it. So we created a custom litter box that let cats be cats. And we made it so it cleans in 6 seconds, or oftentimes faster. Hi there. This is the litter box that cleans in 6 seconds, and it's also designed on the same principles that make cats and kittens love boxes. Over here is Michelle, and if you've been scooping a litter box like she is right now, you'll know it's no fun. Especially in the corners. That's where bacteria and odors accumulate. We tried every litter box solution on the market. They were crazy, so we decided it was time to do something about it. These clumps are fused to the container. We're going to toss the litter just to show you how fused they are. The difference is Boxscoop embraces stuck-on clumps. Cats dig, and we designed for it. And even if you're using a super dusty litter like this one, the scoop is designed to slice through the litter while raising next to zero dust. Check this out. As the scoop sweeps through the litter, force is perfectly leveraged through the center point to the front edge of the scoop where it easily frees stuck-on clumps. And Boxscoop also performs with alternative litters, because the scoop gets under the clumps and gently cradles them. So even if you're using a softer clumping litter, like this one, the clumps stay intact. It's fast, like 20 times faster than the average automatic, but without all those extra components for bacteria to grow in, and without this noise. The design is based on behavior studies for cat comfort. This is Arthur. She was the inspiration for Boxscoop. Notice how easily she turns inside? And when she finally picks a spot to do her business, she can see everything around her so she always feels comfortable. And when she steps out, all the litter on her paws gets left on the cover. That would normally be all over the floors. The feedback we've received from our first model is incredible. Boxscoop is even used throughout Perwood Forest Cat Sanctuary. And now we're here to make Boxscoop even better. This is Boxscoop 2.0. It feels completely open to a cat inside, and these textured areas reduce litter tracking further, while the slots let it fall right through. It's made from thick material, and the cover is dog-proof secure. It's bigger than a standard size litter box, the scoop is deeper, and the front edge is double reinforced. It easily handles large clumps. And with our new design, if you want to toss the waste into a smaller container, you can. Just shake, tilt, and toss. If you've ever struggled with the litter box,
like we all have,
then you need to try Boxscoop. With just 6 seconds a day, you can keep the litter box perfectly clean and healthy in your home. But we need your help to produce it. So help us by hitting that Back This Project button so that we can continue doing what we love to do, helping you clean up the litter box.
So, you've got the hottest new MacBook. Then you find out you can't connect any of your stuff. So you think, I'll just need a dongle. Then it turns out you actually need more dongles. All you need is AllHub, the best hub for your new MacBook and most of the Type-C smartphones. AllHub has so many ports, and it supports up to 100 watts USB power delivery. And you can charge your smartphone wirelessly. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports for charging your multiple devices and super fast data transfer. A 4K HDMI output. Yes, I said 4K. SD card and micro SD card slots. It has an Ethernet port, up to 1000 megabits per second. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone line in port. AllHub works perfectly on your smartphones. Transfer data, or simply charge your devices. It's also very small and lightweight, so you can take it wherever you go. And turn your smartphone into a computer anywhere you go. AllHub is covered by aluminum housing, so it's tough and durable. That's what she said. AllHub, the hub that satisfies all you need.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, but on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start. But the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Cubbit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.
As a chiropractor and athlete, I help countless people as they attempt to improve their lifestyle and well-being. Unfortunately, chiropractic alone sometimes isn't enough. With our hectic lifestyles, we need to find other ways to maintain our health. What if I told you there's a home therapy program, one that patients can use safely at home to strengthen their muscles and relieve pain? Most of you have heard of EMS technology, which uses electrical pulses to improve physical fitness, strengthening and toning muscles, or TENS technology, which relieves pain. Anyone that wants to tone their muscles and relieve pain would need to purchase several units to work on these areas simultaneously. That's why we created ElectroFit. ElectroFit is the all-in-one smart device that uses EMS and TENS-based technology to transmit microelectrical pulses through specific areas of the body. By exercising muscles while keeping nerves active, ElectroFit is able to deliver the kind of full-body results that other units on the market are too limited to achieve. ElectroFit is for anyone who cares about living an active and healthy lifestyle. The ElectroFit comes with an app, which connects via Bluetooth to the controller and accessories. Through the app, users can adjust the workout intensity and the type of workout. The ElectroFit controller connects to several attachments. The basic set comes with 2 electropads, which can be used anywhere on the body. This can be used at home or during a workout to tone muscles, increase strength, and recover faster. The ElectroFit controller also works with the ElectroAbs attachment, which can tone your six-pack or strengthen the thigh while you relax. The dual electro attachment helps to tone and strengthen the glutes, arms, and lower back. ElectroFit can be used for years as an effective fitness and pain relief aid, and it has no known side effects. The ElectroFit controller is conveniently compact at only 2 inches wide. Every unit comes with an integrated rechargeable lithium battery, a micro USB charging port, and medical-grade adhesive electro gel pads. Whether you're dealing with excess weight or strained muscles, this is the solution you've been looking for. ElectroFit is a great device for athletes, helping to build up maximum strength and increase power. In fact, ElectroFit may double the effectiveness of a gym workout. Now you can warm up like a pro, train like a pro, recover like a pro, and be a pro. With over 12 years of manufacturing FDA-approved EMS and TENS devices, our team is fully equipped to take ElectroFit from vision to reality. And by backing us on Indiegogo, you'll become an important part of our founding family. We have the team, the product, the vision, and the talent to execute this project. And all we need is your support. No more excuses. Now is the time to achieve your health and fitness goals with ElectroFit.